Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and staying safe at your homes. Students, today we will do our chapter number 7 of grammar book, and the name of the chapter is Nouns Possession. Nouns Possession. You all know what is a noun. Yes, naming words are called nouns. Name of a person, place, animal or a thing is called a noun. Also, you know what is singular noun and what is plural noun. Singular means single, one, and plural means more than one, right? What is possession? Possession means belonging or ownership. Possession is a word that has been derived from possess, right? Possess means own or have. Like if I say, I possess a car, it means I have a car. अगर मैं कहती हूँ I possess a car, it means क्या meaning है उसका कि I have a car, एक कार जो मुझसे belong करती है. Okay, these sentences. Number 1. The toy of Rahul is very expensive. यहाँ किसके टॉय की बात हो रही है? जो राहुल का है. The toy of Rahul is very expensive. Number 2. The dress of Preeti is very nice. The dress of Preeti is very nice. किसकी dress? प्रीति की. Okay. Now read these sentences. Rahul's toy is very expensive. Preeti's dress is very nice. Same meaning. यहाँ भी उसी टॉय की बात हो रही है जो राहुल का है, जो राहुल से बिलोंग करता है, एंड द ड्रेस बिलोंग्स टू प्रीति. सेम मीनिंग इज सेम. इट मीन्स वी यूज अपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस टू शो पोजेशन. दिस साइन इज कॉल्ड अपोस्ट्रोफी. और अगर हम आफ्टर नाउन अपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस अप्लाई करके राइट करते हैं, दैट मीन्स हम बिलोंगिंग और पोजेशन शो करते हैं. मीनिंग ऑफ अपोस्ट्रोफी. लेट अस लर्न सम रूल्स टू यूज अपोस्ट्रोफी. लाइक नंबर 1, वी यूज अपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस with singular nouns to show possession, like Atul's car, the car that belongs to Atul. Atul is singular, therefore we have applied apostrophe and s. 2. We use only apostrophe, not s, with the plural nouns ending with s. वो प्लूरल नाउन्स जिनके एंड में लास्ट में एस होता है, उनकी पोजेशन शो करते टाइम हम ओनली एपोस्ट्रोफी अप्लाई करते हैं, एस अप्लाई नहीं करते. लाइक द फूड ऑफ कैट्स. हियर कैट्स इज प्लूरल नाउन, सो वी विल राइट इट लाइक दिस. कैट्स food, right? Only apostrophe we have used here. Cats, only apostrophe, cats, food. Okay? We apply only apostrophe with the singular nouns ending with s to show possession. Means वो singular nouns जिनका last alphabet s हो, means जो s के साथ end कर रहे हो, उनके साथ भी हम सिर्फ क्या लगाते हैं? apostrophe, not s. Like James. James is a name of a single person. James shirt. Here we do not write s. No need to write s. Okay. Rule number 4. Apostrophe s. We use apostrophe and s with the plural nouns not ending with s. जिन plural nouns के end में s नहीं होता, उनकी पोजेशन शो करते टाइम हम अपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस बोथ अप्लाई करते हैं. लाइक चिल्ड्रन. चिल्ड्रन इज अ प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ चाइल्ड. चिल्ड्रंस पार्क, राइट? चिल्ड्रंस पार्क. Okay, students, the apostrophe and s can be used only with the nouns that name people and animals. हम अपोस्ट्रोफी और एस का यूज सिर्फ पीपल और एनिमल्स के नेम के साथ ही कर सकते हैं. वी डू नॉट यूज अपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस विद द नेम ऑफ नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के नेम्स के साथ अपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस यूज नहीं करते टू शो पोजेशन. लाइक द विंडो ऑफ द कार, द विंडो ऑफ द कार. तो अब ये पोजीशन है, किसकी विंडो की बात हो रही है? कार की विंडो की बात हो रही है. बट हम इसको द कार्स विंडो राइट नहीं कर सकते. इट विल बी रॉन्ग. ओके, बिकॉज कार इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग.
What fun it is to visit the zoo, Dad.
I agree. What did you like the most so far?
I found the multicolored feathers of the peacock very beautiful. I also like the furry mane of the lion.
What about the elephants and leopards?
Oh, how can I forget them? I love the long, shiny tusks of the elephants and the spotted bodies of the leopards.
Arjun, do you know you can shorten the sentences you are speaking by using apostrophes?
How? Tell me, please.
Okay, your first sentence was, I found the multicolored feathers of the peacock very beautiful. Since the noun peacock is singular in number, you can shorten it by using the apostrophe along with S after the noun. So the shortened sentence would be, I found the peacock's multicolored feathers very beautiful.
That was simple. Can I try contracting the second sentence on my own?
Of course.
I spoke, I also like the furry mane of the lion. Its shortened form would be, I also like the lion's furry mane.
Excellent. Now let's come to the next sentence you spoke. Remember, the nouns in it were plural in number. You remarked, I love the long, shiny tusks of the elephant and the spotted bodies of the leopards. Since the nouns elephants and leopards are plural in number, you can shorten it by using just the apostrophe after the S in the nouns. So the shortened sentence would be, I love the elephants' long, shiny tusks and the leopards' spotted bodies.
That was an easy peasy trick. I shall remember it, Dad. Arjun learnt what his dad taught him. Did you learn with him? Let's quickly check. Rewrite these group of words to show possession. The handbags of the girls. The toy truck of Rishi. The scooter of the doctor. The stories of grandmother. The recipes of mother.
Students, let us do some book work now. Exercise A. Rewrite these words to show possession. Number 1. The speeches made by the leaders. That means वो speeches जो लीडर्स से बिलोंग करती हैं. तो इसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? द लीडर्स स्पीचेज. ओनली apostrophe we will apply because leaders at the end S is there. Okay. Number 2. The bat of Amit. It will be Amit's bat. The tail of the dog. It will be the dog's tail. Next is the stripes of the zebras. It will be the zebra's strips. Only apostrophe. Students, in this way you can complete this exercise. Exercise B. Rewrite the underlined words using apostrophe S. Number 1 is the nest of the bird is full of eggs. Here underlined words are nest of the bird. It will be the bird's nest is full of eggs. Number 2. The hair of Mrs. Diwan is completely white. Here the underlined words are the hair of Mrs. Diwan. So after using apostrophe and S, it will be written like Mrs. Divan's hair is completely white. Okay students, in this way we can do this exercise. Now exercise C. Add apostrophe or apostrophe s to the nouns in the brackets as required. See, here are some words in brackets. Like in number 1 sentence, my brother book is in the garden. So after applying apostrophe and s, it will be my brother's book is in the garden. Similarly, you can do the second sentence. Now see the third one. Rabbit's ears are very big. Here we will apply only apostrophe because s is there. Okay students, now try to do this exercise. Now exercise D. Rewrite these sentences using apostrophe or apostrophe and s wherever necessary. Number 1. The eyes of cats shine in the dark. The eyes of cats. क्या राइट करेंगे हम? Cat's eyes shine in the dark. We will write only apostrophe after cats. Okay. The car which my uncle has is old. अब वो कार जो मेरे अंकल के पास है, जो मेरे अंकल से बिलोंग करती है, so it will be my uncle's car is old. Third one. The stories of grandpa are very interesting. Grandpa's stories are very interesting. Similarly, you can do fourth one. Now look at the fifth one. I love the cookies made by my grandma. अब cookies के बारे में बात हो रही है जो कि grandma से belong करते हैं. So we will write I love my grandma's cookies. Okay. This was all about our chapter number 7. I hope you all have understood very well. Now, do the given exercises in your book. Do practice. Also try to do page number 33 in your grammar book. That is words that go together. Okay? Try to do this exercise. We will discuss about this in our next lesson. Okay? Bye-bye.